from Macon. Say hey, mama.
Hey.
That's my sister. She's so pretty. What? What you do? Oh my God! Look at my daddy.
You know I got to put my shades on, son.
Right.
That's your boy.
That's daddy.
We're in Florida. Doing the big.
We celebrate Finally Friday. Namaste. Nina say what is up next? Give her some love, man. That Nina say what? Show me love at Dion DZ, okay? Cool.
10-6?
I'm just vlogging. I'm just recording.
Oh, you vlogging.
Just be normal.
Oh, you do? Oh, okay. My bad. Just be normal, mama. You did simple vlogging. You know, she's Sandra Rose or somebody.
Sandra Rose. Hi. Are y'all gonna be on my vlog?
Are you vlogging?
Yes. I'm vlogging.
I look a whole fool.
No, you don't.
Look, don't vlog me because I ain't got no shoes.
See, we don't care. We're gonna be barefeet and all.
I got the pay.
This is Auntie, y'all.
What up?
What's up, boo?
What's going on?
Me and my pool over there.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, we finna represent.
You got to act normal. She's blind or something.
Lord,
It's pretty. This is the living room. It is. It's quiet.
It's pretty big.
It is.
Yeah. Put a bigger TV in that dog. Big in this room, man. How the pool look, man?
This is the pool. Or jacuzzi.
It's huge. I'm gonna use your restroom, bro.
This is pretty. Let's go upstairs. Hey. You asleep?
who upstairs?
Nobody.
I'm saying, what room up there? It's 4 up here.
This is cute. Where you want to share a room with me?
That'll be fine.
Okay. This is cute. The little hearts. It's really cute. Hey, Titi.
You still vlogging?
Yes.
Get your ass down here and help do something. Vlog that.
I've been waiting to get her.
You waiting? your rate is finna go up.
Yes.
That's the theme of the trip. Vlog this.
Vlog it. All right, so as y'all can see, my family is wild, y'all. It's gonna be a fun trip.
I have to be like that. You're a grown woman. You somebody mama, ma'am.
You know that lady got keys.
So we just left Walmart, y'all, and when I tell you it was packed, I don't even know how we was able to get through the aisles, but we made it. We got a lot of groceries.
We're riding.
Shit, I'm gonna pick all that shit up.
What else did we get? We got stuff for breakfast. We got food for dinner tonight, and
Dinner tomorrow. Lunch. And I must cut somebody out. Blog that hashtag.
Hey, girls.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna go sleep.
No, you're not. Wake up.
Sierra.
What you doing?
Watching my show.
Oh, what you watching?
Once Upon a Time.
Oh. That's Pep, y'all. That's my favorite cousin. When she was a baby, I would like just squeeze her, and we used to go to amusement parks and stuff. She was just so juicy. You was a juicy baby.
I was psychotic. I just squeeze her.
She was just a juicy baby. Hey, girls. Uncle Mike with the floaties.
Mama sounded flip breath.
Do we need to switch over?
No, I'm almost done.
Okay.
I hope I'll be able to breathe
I know.
after this.
Hi, Pebbles.
I changed the temperature, baby.
Oh, that's what it is. Bro.
Bam, bam, bam. Thank you, ma'am.
I'm going, Mom. Put my baby.
Thank you. Good morning, guys. So it is Friday, and we are on the vlog this morning. We got Lyric and Auntie. She's just relaxing. Which way did you get in?
I hear the steps right here.
Oh, okay.
It's cold when you first get in, but it warms up.
Okay. It is. Oh, it's
You want
cold.
me to hold this while you dip? Dip the top part on it.
Oh, I can't.
Just skin to go. 1, 2, 3, go.
What's it?
Go all the way down.
It's so cold.
Then it'll stop.
Hey! Shamu! Ow,
Oh, he ready, y'all.
Okay. And
Don't look like that. Don't look like they look like brown. My brother. Put your hand down. You ain't do your shot, boo. Anybody can fall off the wall.
what you say, Auntie?
We don't leave home without that asthma pump, honey. Look at it. Lord have mercy. Did you tell me you not getting old and you need help out the pool? That we told me I ain't getting old. He refused to get old.
What's the scope? What's the scope? What's the scope? Pep and Lear, what's the scope?
Full game with a twist.
That's weird.
Lear, what's your scope?
What's his scope?
She gonna sing on key. Shit me. Shit. Give her another one.
Just need to sign me today.
Period, Pool. Gonna be on the Maxwood Records.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
The artist, Tiara, B, Miss Foxy, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Might get that tube around your neck like it's a damn tower. Finna baptize somebody. Can you hold that leg up? Look.
Come on out the hole. Morris Brown. Marching. That's Mike Little.
Hold that leg up, boy. You gotta hold that. Who let the blowfish?
Oh my God.
Let him stand, bro.
Yeah! You better do it, Dad.
Challenge is on.
He looks smooth, ladies and gentlemen. He prepared for this, y'all.
Jess, what band this is? What band?
Morris Brown Wolverine marching band. Come on, Brown.
Come on.
Come on, Brown. Come on, Brown.
They getting off the bus. They getting off the bus.
Oh my
marching
God.
to the stadium.
He made it to the 3 feet, ladies and gentlemen. Keep marching. Keep marching. Keep marching. Hell, keep marching. Shit, keep marching.
Come on, Paul.
Look, you come on, boy. Bob Bacon.
Why you crying?
Have you never worn name brand before? This is how you walk when you wear name brand on the vlog. Look how you look back at it. I just see the floor.
You look cute, though.
We had to take her to that thing, that makeup school.